What is going down, y'all? Back at it with another video. Got my lady up here helping in the build. Yeah. So I told you I was gonna be silver leafing this thing here soon, and she has decided to take on the task for me to do it. And right now she already has one piece done, which is just the outline of the where the light switch goes. And now she is doing the lettering on the lights, where it says lights. And so it's one of these push down silver leafing pens. And it looks like she's just kind of going along the edges, or the lifted lettering on there, and then when it gets dry, she'll reprime it by pushing it down in the cardboard and making it wet again, and then going again. So yep, I only got a few areas I'm going to do. As you can see, it is starting to light up. Get it? Light up. So just being very careful with it, and didn't worry about masking anything off, so since I didn't have many areas to do, so I was only going to do this edges around the vents here on that one, and then here where it says lighter, and then the washer and wiper part, and then that's pretty much it. So I think these regular non-SS dashes didn't have a whole lot outlined, so, and if not, worst case, we can always go back a little later on. So, but yeah, we did a test run here. This is the back side of the vent, so we had to do a test run on it to see kind of how it'd come out. And as you can see, like, that's what it looked like before, similar to that, and then silver is how it came out. So basically almost done. Last little bit over here, it looks way better. So you can see, got the lights going down, the bezels, got those trimmed out. I also went ahead and did these here. I don't think on the stock dash Chevelle, the stock dash, I think this was just black, but I thought that I would do that too. Have her do that for me as well. Got that, the lighter. Look how good that turned out. She's doing that over there, that vent. And she's going over it twice just to make sure everything is nice and covered. And also, she's gonna do the Chevy emblem. So this particular dash didn't come with this emblem. It was actually, I think it was an AC vent. But I have two dashes, and this one actually covered that. So that's like the delete plate. So she's gonna do that, and one little section here on there that we thought would be good touched up. But all in all, y'all, yeah, looks pretty dang good. Yep. Precision. So yeah, that'll look really nice in there. And then I'm gonna put gauges right here. It looks like somebody already had put gauges in here before, but I have a little gauge pod that I'm gonna put in there as well. So you probably won't even be able to see those holes behind it once I have a 3-pod gauge, and it'll cover that all up anyway. So yeah, y'all must go outside, get a few more things done on the car, and come back in. It's a little cold outside today, but just wanted to show you all the silver leafing of the Chevelle dash. Not too many videos on this, so I thought I'd make one maybe a little bit more detailed than what you have already seen, or if there's any other ones online I haven't seen yet, but I thought I'd make one as well too. So alright, we'll holla at y'all later. Peace out.
Bye.